$200 a month, friends. Brand new details have just been unveiled on the next monthly benefit checks for Social Security, retirement, low income, SSI, SSDI, and RRB beneficiaries. The biggest boost to monthly benefit payments is coming to all eligible recipients in just a few weeks. Both Democrats and Republicans have proposed their own version of Social Security reform legislation. There are also major changes coming. So friends, please do make sure that you watch until the end of this video. Also, to say thank you for joining me here every day when I post a video, I'm giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. If you would like to enter the giveaways, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and click and like several of my videos. Then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways.
There are many, many good things about this CR. One of the best is that it won't shut down the government. It is shocking to me that our Republican colleagues seem to want to shut down the government with all these services and necessary things it does for the people of the United States. And this CR does many, many good things. I want to just focus on one of them. The 87,000 extra new agents to be hired for enforcement by the Internal Revenue Service. That is an excellent thing, because what will they do? They will go after the rich people. By the terms of the statute, by the terms of the CR, they cannot be used for enforcement of taxes against anybody earning less than $400,000. So we're not talking about the middle class. But the rich people in this country are cheating. They are cheating tremendously. They're cheating to the tune of tens of billions of dollars because they know they can get away with it. And because there's no manpower or woman power to enforce the law. This will give us the manpower to enforce the law. This will enable us to get revenue. Can I have 30 seconds?
Yes, yield 30 seconds to the gentleman.
Gentleman from New York is recognized.
Thank you, gentlelady. This will give us the manpower to enforce the law and to make sure that the rich pay their fair share, and therefore there can be more services for the middle class and for low-income people in this country, which is exactly what the government is for. So this is one of the best things it does. I urge everyone to vote for the CR, in particular because of the 87,000 extra agents that the Internal Revenue Service will have to enforce the taxes against rich tax.
All right, friends, so here are some new details for Social Security recipients. Some big changes have just been proposed for Social Security to strengthen their program. Social Security is a very important program that is facing a point at which it will stop collecting more in taxes from workers than it needs to pay out in benefits to retirees. This means that retiree benefits may be reduced by an estimated 20%, unless Congress takes some action to shore up the program. There is some action that Congress has taken, which looks promising. The first change most likely to happen to Social Security will come from the Social Security Fairness Act, which was introduced by Democratic Representative Rodney Davis. The bill recently had more than 300 co-sponsors, including 210 Democrats and 91 Republicans. The bill, which was recently voted out of committee and onto its next steps, would eliminate the windfall elimination provision and repeal the government pension offset. There are 2 rules that reduce or eliminate benefits for certain people, such as those who receive other retirement income. This could help millions of teachers, police officers, firefighters, and many others. Another promising move coming out of Washington is President Biden's proposed budget for fiscal year 2023, which aims to allocate close to $15 billion to the Social Security Administration. That would be a 14% increase over the 2022 budget. The proposed increase would help the Social Security Administration get more done, such as processing claims more efficiently and dealing with issues more effectively. Customer service would also likely be improved. Then there is the Social Security 2100 Act, which was introduced by Democratic Representative John Larson. It includes many proposed changes, such as increasing all benefits by 2% to compensate for inadequate past cost of living adjustments. The legislation would also set a new minimum benefit 25% above the poverty line to protect low-income workers. Friends, the keyword for this video is Great Bear Lake. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Great Bear Lake, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure, friends, that you are subscribed to my channel. Right now, there is a threshold above which earnings are no longer taxed for Social Security. For 2022, it is $147,000, so that someone earning $147,000 and someone earning $3,147,000 would pay the same taxes to Social Security. The legislation includes raising the cap, which would bring more money into the program. Those are just some of many provisions that would strengthen the program. So friends, what are your thoughts on the Social Security 2100 Act? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. As inflation eases across the United States, the record Social Security increase planned for 2023 could be lower than expected. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the Consumer Price Index rose 8.3% in August. That is a decrease from 8.5% in July. It marks the second month in a row where the annual inflation rate had decreased. With this recent CPI data, it showed that the Social Security cost of living adjustment could reach 8.7% for 2023, instead of the previously forecasted 9.6%. While lower than prior forecast, the COLA boost for 2023 will still be the highest increase since the 1980s. The last 2 years, the COLA increase was 5.9%. There has not been a double-digit COLA increase since 1982, when there was an 11.2% increase. The potentially significant increase comes at a time when inflation rates in all consumer markets are soaring. Currently, Social Security recipients receive an average of $1,542 per month. However, next year's cost of living increase could add an average of $175.10 monthly. A bill introduced by Representative Peter DeFazio and Senator Bernie Sanders would give beneficiaries an additional 12% each month. That is $200 per month, totaling $2,400 a year. So when asked about the legislation, Senator Bernie Sanders said that the bill would boost benefits for the lowest income earners in the United States under the Special Minimum Benefit Program. The proposed legislation would adjust the rate to 125% of the federal poverty line, increasing the monthly checks to an estimated $1,400 per month. Well, my amazing and beautiful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for joining me here every day when I post a video. Friends, I'll be announcing a winner for the Walmart gift card giveaway in a video later today. So please remember to enter the keywords in the comment section below and do stay tuned for that video.